Good morning, sir. I am Dinesh Kumar from second year mechanical. Today my topic is a problem on Fourier series. This is the problem: write Fourier series for the function of f of x of 0 and sin x. Hence reduce that into 1 by 1.3 minus 1 by 1.5 plus 1 by 5.7 and so on equals to 1 by 4 into pi minus 2. Here we first getting the value of a naught, that's equals to 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x dx. We need to substitute f of x value, that's 0 and sin x 1 by pi integral of minus pi to 0 dx plus integral 0 to pi sin dx. 1 by pi, if 0 into dx equals to 0 plus integral of sin x equals to minus cos x, that's over the limit of 0 to pi, and the negative sign comes out, minus 1 by 5 pi cos pi minus cos 0. The value of cos pi minus 1 and minus cos 0 equals to minus 1, that's a naught value equals to 2 by pi. And now an equals to 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x cos nx into dx, that's equals to 1 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x equals to sin x into cos nx into dx. Here the formula of cos a into sin b equals to half into sin a. Here the formula of cos a into sin b equals to half into sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. Cos nx into sin x equals to half sin of n plus 1 into x equals to minus sin of n minus 1 into x. an equals to 1 by 2 pi integral 0 to pi sin of n plus 1 into x into dx equals to integral 0 to pi sin of n minus 1 x into dx. Here that 1 by 2 pi of minus cos of n plus 1 into x by n plus 1 over the limits of 0 to pi minus of cos n minus 1 into x by n minus 1 over the limits of 0 to pi. Here the applying the upper limit minus lower limit, first at pi value 1 by 2 pi of minus 1 by n plus 1 into cos of n plus 1 into upper limit pi minus lower limit of cos of 0 plus 1 by n minus 1 into cos of n minus 1 into upper limit pi minus cos of 0. Cos of n plus 1 equals to cos of n pi plus pi. Cos n pi into cos pi minus sin n pi into sin pi, that's equals to minus 1 whole power n into minus 1 minus 0, that comes to minus of minus 1 whole power n. Similarly for cos n minus 1 pi equals to minus of minus 1 whole power n. Finally the an value is 1 by 2 pi. Finally the value of an equals to 1 by 2 pi of minus 1 by n plus 1 into minus of minus 1 whole power n minus 1 plus 1 by n minus 1 into minus of minus 1 whole power n minus 1. If n is an even number, then the an value is 1 by 2 n of minus 1 by n plus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 by n plus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Finally the value of an if n is an even, therefore the value of an is minus 2 by pi into n square minus 1. Therefore a naught value equals to 2 by pi and an value is minus 2 by pi into n square minus 1 for n is an even. We are substituting in the equation 1, an equals to 1 by 2 pi into minus 1 by n plus 1 into minus of minus 1 whole power n minus 1 plus 1 by n minus 1 into minus of minus 1 whole power n minus 1. If n is an odd and n not equals to 1, an equals to 1 by 2 pi of minus 1 by n plus 1 into 0 plus 1 by n minus 1 into 0. Anything into 0 equals to 0. 1 by 2 pi into 0 equals to an value if n is an odd equals to 0. a naught equals to 2 by pi, an equals to 0. For odd, to find a1 value, a1 equals to 1 by pi of integral minus pi to pi f of x cos x into dx. Here the f of x equals to sin x, therefore we are substituting in f of x 1 by pi into integral 0 to pi sin x into cos x equals to, if sin is an even, here the function is 2 by pi integral 0 to pi sin x into cos x, that 2 comes to in that formula equals to 2 sin x into cos x equal cos x, a1 equals to 1 by 2 pi of 0 to pi sin 2x into dx. That formula of sin 2x equals to minus cos 2x by 2 by applying integration. Finally, the value of a1 equals to 0. To find the value of bn, the bn value of for formula equals to 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x into sin n into sin nx into dx. bn equals to 1 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x equals to sin x into sin nx into dx. Here the sin nx into sin x equals to half into cos of n minus 1 into x minus cos of n plus 1 into x. Here the value of bn equal 1 by 2n of 1 by n minus 1 into sin of n minus 1 into pi minus 0 minus of 1 by n plus 1 into sin of n plus 1 into pi minus 0. Therefore sin of n plus 1 into pi equals to sin of n pi plus pi, that's equals to 0. Similarly for bn equals 1 by 2 pi of 1 by n plus 1 into 0 minus 1 by n plus 1 into 0. Here the bn value equals to 1 by 2 pi of 1 by n plus 1 into 0 minus 1 by n plus 1 into 0. That comes bn value equals to 0. Where n not equals to 1, to find b1 value equals to 1 by pi of integral minus pi to pi f of x into sin x into dx. For sin x formula for 2 by pi integral 0 to pi sin square x into dx. b1 equals to 1 by 2. The Fourier series of f of x is given by f of x equals to a naught by 2 plus summation of n equals to 1 to infinity an of cos nx plus bn sin nx. By substituting the all values of a naught and an and bn values, we get the 1 by pi minus 2 by pi into 1 by 1.3 cos 2x plus 1 by 3.5 into cos 4x plus 1 by 5.7 cos 6x plus and so on, plus 1 by 2 sin x equals to f of x. We get x equals to 0. Where x equals to 0, we get 1 by 3 plus 1 by 1.3 plus 1 by 3.5 plus 1 by 5.7 plus and so on equals to 1 by 4 pi minus 2. Thank you.